Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First question is, do you ever go to yard sales or buy sell trade stores? I feel like I've only heard you talk about buying stuff at thrift stores or online. I don't really go to buy sell trade store. Are you talking like Plato's Closet? So, I mean, I've been there a couple times, but I feel like their prices aren't good prices for resellers. They're great if you're just a regular person and you want to get, discounted shit. But I feel like, I take that back. Unless you go to like their clearance sales, because I have gone to one of their like yellow tag sales or whatever, where they have like 90% off clearance or something crazy like that. And I got like jeans for literally like 50 cents. Unless you go to like one of those sales, then I don't know. I don't really think it's worth it. Just because I think their prices are kind of high. They're definitely higher than the other thrift stores that I go to. So yeah, I don't really go. And I'm just talking specifically about Plato's Closet because that's really the only like buy sell trade store that I've gone to. I don't go to buy sell trade stores just because I feel like I can get better prices at my local thrift stores. Okay, next question. What do you think about the My Shoppers feature on Poshmark? Bundling and being able to mass message people. I know that I get a ton of messages daily from people and items that I've liked, and I'm very annoyed by it, LOL. So I actually saw this in a Facebook post recently. Getting messages on items that I've liked, it's annoying, stop doing that. Poshmark made that feature to be able to like mass message people at one time. It might be annoying. If you're that annoyed, just don't like things then. But I do it and I'm not going to stop doing it. I know I have gotten some people to be like, hey, can you not message me? And I'm like, sure thing. I remove their likes from a bundle and I don't message them. I think it's a great feature. I use it all the time. I have made many sales from that feature. And I love it. This person just messaged me and said, oh, I'm going to purchase something, but I'm waiting until Poshmark does the discounted shipping. So Poshmark is, and I got questions from you guys asking me what I think about this. So I'm going to address it. So a couple of weeks ago, Poshmark tested out free shipping. They did free shipping for an hour. They did it on 2 different days, I believe. One was like a Tuesday or a Wednesday, and the other one was a Saturday. I did make a lot of sales from the first one. The second time, not so much. But yeah, Poshmark had an hour where if you bought something outright, not on an offer, which is okay. If you bought something outright, you would get free shipping. Now they're doing discounted shipping. So a couple of days ago, they did for an hour. Was that yesterday? I'm all mixed up. Yesterday or a couple of days ago, they did $5.95 shipping for an hour, and today they're doing $4.99 shipping for an hour. And I just had someone message me. She added something to a bundle and she said, I love this tank. I'm going to purchase this when Poshmark does a discounted shipping. And that's in like 11 minutes from now. So I'll keep you guys updated and let you know if she actually purchases it. That would mean she'd be purchasing it for full price. So I mean, I'm not mad at that, but I do think that sucks that they have to buy it at full price. I obviously want a full price sale all the time, every day, all day. Yes, please. But buyers don't always want to pay full price. So I think it's kind of shitty that it's only on full price stuff. I don't like the fact that it's only for an hour. Like today is, what the hell is today? Today's Wednesday. So they're doing it at 3 o'clock on a Wednesday. Like that's kind of a random ass time to be doing it. People work. I think they should do it for like 24 hours or like multiple hours, like just longer than an hour. I've definitely gotten a handful of people that have been like, oh, I missed the discounted shipping. Oh, I'm so bummed. And I'm like, okay, I'll just give you discounted shipping. And that sucks because I'm losing money. So yeah, I think it should be longer than an hour. I don't understand why it's just an hour. I get like their, the sense of urgency, like, oh, you only have an hour, but I don't know. I feel like people need more time than that, especially when they announce it only like a couple hours before. If you're going to do it for an hour, at least announce it like a day before so people can prepare and know, I don't know. Those are just my thoughts. Okay, and the last question. Oh my gosh, you guys are blowing up my DMs. You guys want to know my thoughts on the whole daily refinement situation? Yeah, what is going on out there? They're throwing things. No one's crying or screaming or yelling, so I think we're good. Yeah, my thoughts on that. So I don't watch this guy's videos. I think I am subscribed to him. I've seen like a couple of his videos, but honestly, they were boring to me. Like, I'm going to tell you guys how it is. I don't know, it's just kind of boring to me. He is, or was, a very great seller on eBay, sold a lot of shit, did like, a couple million a year, like, ain't no thing. None of these like, I'm a 6-figure reseller. This guy's like, no, I'm a $2-point-something million or $1-point-something million. I don't know. I'm just gonna tell you guys my thoughts. Stupid fucking mistake that he made, or just wasn't using his head. Like, I don't know how. Okay, let me explain it. So basically, he was getting these sneakers, like prototypes, one-offs, one of one, really like rare sneakers, and he was selling them on eBay for a shit ton of money. Like, I think he said one of them sold for like $25,000 or $30,000, which is you know, crazy. Who the fuck pays that much for sneakers? I love sneakers, I do, but I would never. Like, that's insane. He was selling a bunch of those, and he was getting them from friends, and they didn't have any proof as to where they got them from. And that's where eBay was kind of like, what the fuck? What's going on? You know, red flags all around, which, you know, I mean, that's common sense. You got someone that's, you know, just selling clothes and shit, then he starts selling sneakers for like thousands and thousands of dollars. It's like, what the fuck? Obviously, it's going to raise some red flags. So eBay was like, hey, you know, you need to prove where you got these. He's like, I don't have any proof. He's like, you know, I paid my friend through PayPal or Zelle. And it's like, okay, that's not like, that's, I don't know. I just think that that's fucking stupid. Like, I'm just going to say it. That's fucking stupid. You have this business where you're making a shit ton of money. Like, you need to use your head and keep track of that shit. Like, keep a paper trail. I don't know. I don't know what he was thinking. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know this guy. You know, some people are saying that, you know, they're like dirty shoes. You know, they were like stolen. Someone said that it's from like an ex-employee and he wanted to get him off his hands. I don't know. There's all kinds of rumors going around. I don't know the truth. I just know that that was a dumb fucking move on his part multiple times. And it wasn't just like one pair. It was like multiple pairs. So yeah, that was just a dumb move. And because of that, he was suspended from eBay. He can't be on eBay like ever again. That sucks. That really sucks. But you do stupid shit, you got to pay the consequences, you know? I don't know why he wouldn't want like to get a receipt and shit. Like, even if it's your friend, you should still cover your ass. You know, like, this is his livelihood. This is his business. He should want to cover his ass, you know? Especially since they're high dollar fucking sneakers. So, I don't know. That's my thoughts on it. I think it's a stupid fucking move. Does he deserve to be suspended? I mean, probably. I don't know this guy. I don't know his intentions. Was he, you know, knowingly selling stolen sneakers or, you know, doing something shady? I don't know. He could be. He could not have been. He could have just not been using his head when purchasing those sneakers. I don't know. But yeah, that's my thoughts on it. Just dumb move, and it cost you your eBay business, which was huge. So that sucks. Moral of the story is cover your ass at all times. Cover your ass when you can. Get a receipt for something. I'm not talking about like when you go to like Goodwill and you buy like a freaking t-shirt. You don't, I mean, that's, yeah, you want to keep records and stuff for tax purposes. I'm more so talking about, you know, if you're ever going to do what this guy was doing, finding rare sneakers and then selling them for thousands and thousands of dollars, you need to be able to prove where they came from. You need to be able to prove that they're not stolen. You know, like I mean, innocent until proven guilty, obviously, but it just looks kind of weird. Like, how did this guy end up with all these shoes? Like, this random dude, how do you end up with all these like rare fucking shoes? eBay wants to know because they want to cover their ass, which is totally understandable. Yeah, he lost his eBay business. He said he was thinking about opening up like a brick and mortar store. A lot of people were like, oh, do like coaching stuff, which you guys know how I feel about that shit. Like, it's honestly, you can Google anything for free. You really can. I know he had, I think, like a Facebook group. Like, a lot of people paid for his courses, I think, or a course or something. He's got like a Facebook group or something you got to pay to be in, which is just, it's funny to me because it's like this guy doesn't know any like amazing secrets that you can't find out. Like, I don't know, but whatever. Spend your money how you want to spend your money. That's basically my thoughts. You guys should comment down below and let me know what you think. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.